Ibioro. This is a common practice among my people. Whenever a woman delivers a baby, the people gathers around to celebrate. While the women continues the Ibioro and rubbing of powder, the men gathers around also to celebrate the coming of the new baby into this world. We value these practices. We value the newborn babies. This is the way we welcome them, by Ibioro, by our women. This is lovely. This is Igbo. Very powerful, very beautiful, and very, very wonderful. Follow more on this channel, Namen TV. Thank you. And lest I forget, this is my kinsman. One of them, his wife gave birth. Thank you.